Faith is not about empty words, but about reality. In the church, condensed formulas of faith developed over the course of time. With their help, we can contemplate, express, learn, hand on, celebrate, and live out this reality. Hello my dear friends, greetings of peace. Welcome to our weekly online catechesis. I have been thinking of you within this very busy week I have. I hope and pray that you are in good health. I would like to ask an apology for this very late upload. I suppose you are waiting for this. Why does the faith requires definitions and formulas? That's question number 25, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. Faith is not about empty words, but about reality. In the church, condensed formulas of faith developed over the course of time. With their help, we can contemplate, express, learn, hand on, celebrate, and live out this reality. Without fixed forms, the content of the faith would dissipate. That is why the Church attaches great importance to definite sentences, the precise wording of which was usually achieved painstakingly so as to protect the message of Christ from misunderstandings and falsifications. Furthermore, creeds are important when the Church's faith has to be translated into different cultures while being preserved in its essentials, because a common faith is the foundation of the Church's reality. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I advise you to share it and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.